Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how you are going to set your auto reply, that's auto responder. So first thing that you will do is to go to Play Store, okay, and then search for this particular app called auto reply. Auto reply. So here's the app here. Okay, so I've already downloaded it, so you guys should download. All right, so now after downloading the apps, the next thing that you will do is for you to open it. There are some messages that I have already automated them. So if you want to set it, first of all, this is the interface of it, right? So now this place, as you can see like this, is a place that will indicate either the application is on or is not. So now if you want to add a rule or a message that you want this particular app to reply to, you first go to this place here and then press add. Okay, so now when you press it, this place is where you will choose the application that you will use. If it is the normal WhatsApp, you will use this first one. If it is WhatsApp business, you will use this one, and then GB WhatsApp, and so on and so forth. So now I will use this first one. So the thing here, it says a received message pattern. So here you're going to type the type of message that you want, that you are expecting. For instance, now maybe you created a class and then you tell them to message you with a particular word so that they will get something. So for you to ease your work, you will now put the word here. So for instance, now we put, let me just use this word good. Okay, so here is a place where you will set everything. So you can put it in all, okay, and then you can also put it in exact match. So now in exact match is what they will send must be this word. If they add something to it, the auto reply would not function. And when we say contain, they can add so many things to what you see they should send, but as long as this thing, the word that they send contains good, this auto reply will reply. Likewise, start with is anything that someone will send when it starts with this word that you will put here, this auto reply will not work. Likewise, similarity. Okay, so now the similarity is what they will send here. For this application to function, it must look similar, and then there are ways that you will set the similarity. Okay, you can make it to be this way like this, and then you can make it increase the match threshold. So if you put it here, let's say in 80% or so on, the similarity percentage must be up to 80%. And if you put it here, as long as the word is somehow similar, this application will work. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, we will continue. So now you will now put the reply message that you have for them. So if someone message you with this keyword good, so what you want to reply to, let's say good day, sir. Okay, so now we're setting the rules. So you can set the limit, the time limit that you want, that's the clearance of it. So this one is in 00, so you can put it to be 2 seconds or 5 seconds, any seconds that you want, and then put the max here too. Okay, so after you finish setting, then you will now press good, that's check mark. So now you have already added your rule, so see it here. So now for us to test it, you go to this place here, press it, and then go to test reply rule. So you will now select test reply rule, and then here you will put anything that you want. So now in this place, you are going to type what the keyword that you want, and then you will now see whether the application will work. So if you remember, we put good. and then the reply will be good day sir. So we'll now try it and see. Good, and you see it has replied good day sir. So now even if we go to the WhatsApp, if you message that number, your WhatsApp number that you set this application with, if you type good, it's going to reply with good day sir. So that's the easiest way that you can set the auto reply. So for instance, now let me try something. Since the keyword is good, let me try writing good day and we will see whether the application will reply or it will not. So you see it replies because we put it in contain. So that means anything that that person will send it when it contains good, the application will reply to. Let's try it again. Good day, I'm Prince Joe. So you see it still reply because it contains this keyword good. Okay, so this is the easiest way that you can put it. And then if you want to edit it, you will now select this here. That's for editing. Likewise, delete, that's the one below here. And then if you want to make it to be inactive, you will just press it once and then you see the rule deactivated. And if you want it to be active, it will show green. Then you want to put it on like this. So that's the easiest way. So this application will help you in so many things. So there are some common messages that people used to send, like good morning, good night. So you can automate them. So anytime if somebody sends you this type of message, your auto reply will be able to reply to that person without even you knowing. And then for you to know that the application is active, there's a sign that it will show. So let me show you the sign up here in my here. So see it here. You see this one, this small one, that's the sign that this application is on. So that's how you can automate your WhatsApp, and then it will now help you in so many things. So there are so many features, so you can upgrade it to pro version and then you can set it. Then here is the menu reply settings and then message history to see all the message that this application has been replied into. So you see all these messages are those messages that this application is replying to. So this application will help you in by easing your work. And then there is the PC version for your computer, so you can go on and then get it. So thank you very much for learning. So you can like the video if you get value, and then you can also share it to your friends actually. And if you're new to this channel, I would love you to subscribe and then turn on the notification bell, because I do post free and quality and valuable things here. So thank you very much for your time. Love to see you again.